What up, thick niggas? We out here doing another food review. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Everyone's asking. Pissing me off. It's not funny. No, but today we are reviewing these Arby's Oreo bites. They look smack. When I say smack, I mean smack. I don't even know what these look like. They look like little donuts, but like donut balls or holes, whatever you call them. I don't even know, man. Jesus. Let's get into this bitch. Well, they're soft. Oh boy. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can. The cream. Which is good. I fuck with these. Oh yeah, boy. Look at that. Oh, let's go for a whole one. Ooh. Woo, 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 woo. The biscuits are really good. Oh. You know, really soft, really chewy. All gone. I'm fat and I like to eat everything. Wash it down. Some Mountain Dew. Love me some Mountain Dew. You know, I like that. These are good. I give them a good 38 out of 38. Woo, 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 woo. 30 out of 38 woos. That's a lot of woos. Alright, thick niggas, that's going to do it for this food review. I will see you another day.